Right into this world, all alone.
Oh my God, I'm heartily sorry if I haven't offended you. And I detest all my sins. Not because of your just punishments. Most of all because they offended you, my God.
I don't think he should kneel after he got shot in the leg.
Could this be someone at work? A patient? Something happened to a
Do
kid?
you really think this has anything to do with my work?
It's gotta be Cohn. He's back.
Holy shit. That is a lot of coke.
Does that really surprise you? You just had 30 bricks in your warehouse. What the fuck is this? Are those rivals of the cartel? I love how Jack's just going after them on his own. What the fuck? That's actually so stupid. They got automatic weapons in that car. If they really wanted to, they could just shoot him down. At least he's got his lights on.
Drop it! Drop it!
No witnesses, no prisoners.
Where's Jack?
Went after the shooter.
What shooter?
What the hell happened?
Clay knows it was Answer who warned them. Obviously. Nobody else knows.
Chips told me to come back. We're on lockdown.
Who's that?
Hap, Rat, and Velan. Why?
By the way, where's Kozak? I haven't seen him in multiple episodes, even though everyone else is here.
28th and Neil. I got one of them. Got the building and the card. Not sure of the apartment. Call Leroy. Tell him we might need some backup.
Call Leroy.
All right.
Leroy? Why would Leroy even help you? I would imagine he has some business on his own going on. Or is he just waiting all day for their call?
Sheriff's here. He's looking for Tara.
We can help you. You know that, right?
I appreciate that.
Want me to leave a few of my men here?
That won't be necessary.
Give us a call if you need anything. Okay? All right.
Such a fake smile.
Mr. Ortiz, your PO called. He wants you to take a piss test.
When?
Now. Follow me back.
This is bullshit.
Go.
Very convincing, dude. This is bullshit.
Must have caught wind of the threat. I told him it was nothing.
Good girl.
The way she was eyeing him when he said that.
What happened to you?
Ask your VP.
You're saying Jax did this?
I'm working, so.
How are you supposed to work with that? Well, I guess they can do some close-ups of anything but her face.
Second floor and apartment.
Where the hell's Leroy?
I called him. He should be here. What we gotta do is now.
Maybe Leroy's working with them. Maybe he's tired of warming the bench and wants back in the show.
What the?
Got they smuggled over the border and had to pay in blood?
Where is the other shooter?
I'm assuming none of us picked up any Spanish in Stockton.
Speak English? Huh?
Then what are you doing in this country?
Okay.
Man, that guy's not phased at all.
He doesn't care.
Why? Who is he?
Who is he?
So stupid, that dude. He should have tried to get out of there.
Lobo. They said if we didn't do it that they would have killed my family. My family's down there.
Was she still breathing?
What do you know about a cartel?
All I know is they're selling him guns.
Are there drugs involved?
Why would she ask that question? Why does that matter to her? She might as well could have asked, is there sex trafficking involved?
Have him meet you on the street with the coke. Tell him the deal maker will be there. Then bust him for possession.
Are you kidding? That's entrapment. I'm gonna tie you up, Juice, on a bullshit bust. Do it yourself. I'm done.
I still need you, Eli.
His name's Teddy.
A formal complaint from the United States District Attorney's Office. How's that going to look in your jacket?
This could be a mistake, dude. Forcing him. Blackmailing him. Although that might push him to what I wished for from the very beginning. Maybe this will push him to side with the sons.
What about the note left for Jack's old lady?
She said it's not their style. Lobo would have written the note in her kid's blood.
I made some calls. No other doctors in the area have been threatened.
So it's no serious threater. Oh, don't leave them alone.
You leave this alone. Don't get in my way anymore.
What happened to that nice little line from season 3, huh? What you did for us will not be forgotten. This is flour! Are you kidding me?
You are under arrest for the possession of cocaine.
Where's Lila and Piper?
I was waiting for it, dude.
Who's that guy? Yet another completely new face.
She ducked out.
A new prospect? Again? Where do they get these guys from? Are they growing on trees somewhere?
I'm a bit worried about Juice. Same with Miles, Sheriff riding him. Boys checked out. We got to pull him off this cartel shit.
Send him in, will you?
Why was that safe not locked? What's the purpose of the safe? If you just leave the door open.
Some days we ask our guys to do shit very few men could do. That's what this means.
What is that? And what does it mean?
I love you, son.
I love you.
She split. Sorry, bro.
Well, as long as she hasn't left the ring behind, there's still hope.
Talk to Luis. He's on his way up here with a few guys.
Any word on Armando?
No. Kozak will be down next week with the guns. I gave him the heads up. Told him to keep his eyes open.
Ah, Kozak's still alive, thank God. I guess he was doing some other stuff outside the show, so he wasn't available.
Instead of sitting on your fat ass complaining about all the shit I'm doing wrong, why don't you do something actually helps this goddamn club?
Officer challenge. Your leadership is compromising this club. I want to vote.
I don't think you're going to win that vote. Who's supposed to support him here? On the other hand, these votes have always been completely unpredictable. Well, that's not completely true. The end result was always predictable, but who voted how? That was always a surprise. What the fuck is Piney doing? Pick up the phone, there's a vote. Your chance to get rid of Clay without violence.
Mr. Unser? I was hoping I could walk you to your car and bend your ear a bit.
Sure.
What's this play now? What does Margaret have to do with anything? What Juice doing? He's not going after Teddy, is he? Wait. Is he committing suicide? It broke. At least it sounded like it. Like the tree branch broke. You had me there for a second, but you gave it away.